Hi, I'm Brian Evans with Eastern Public. The first 24 hours after any emergency or catastrophe event is a critical period. So let's talk about the things that you should be doing within the first 24 hours after any serious property damage. Number one, obviously be focused on life safety. Remove any occupants or pets or animals to safety. Once that's done, we want to be focused on mitigating the damages to the property. Not only is this a wise move because ultimately it will reduce the amount and cost of repairs, but it's also a requirement in insurance policies that you do your best effort to reasonably mitigate the damage. So what does that mean? Well, for most losses, it's going to mean some type of water extraction or treatment of water damage. Why? Because most losses involve some element of water. If it's a wind damage, it's usually precipitated by an extreme weather event. So roof peels off or damage to the exterior envelope of the building can allow water to enter that property, and ultimately that causes water damage. Fire losses involve fire suppression. So it could be a sprinkler system, it can be the firemen putting the fire out, but oftentimes that water damage can be more destructive than the fires itself. And then of course you have just traditional water damage from a broken pipe or a backup of a sewer and drain. And in all of these cases, we want to be very diligent about mitigating that water damage. Water in the right circumstances, essentially cold, damp, wet places and organic materials, are prone to mold growth. That mold can begin to develop within the first 48 to 72 hours after the loss. So moving very quickly to extract the water, to remove any wet damaged building materials that can't be dried out, is a critical step to take place in the very first few days of the loss. This work can typically be handled by professional mitigation contractors. So think of your ServPros, your Belfours. These are the more well-known companies. But there are mom and pop shops and other very well qualified emergency service contractors, mitigation contractors that you can engage to come in and do this work. Once all the mitigation work is underway within that first 24 hours or been coordinated, you also want to be focused on documenting your damages if it's safe to do so. So capturing information from the very first or the onset of that event can be a really valuable tool for you in the future to help support or manage your claims. During the emergency mitigation process, the contractors will likely be removing finished materials. And if it's a catastrophic event with substantial damage, a lot of the finishes may be removed that otherwise need to be understood in order to properly pay the claim. So gathering evidence, photographs, videos, and even testimonials from people who were involved, residents or tenants or occupants who were near the site when the loss originated. Any information like that's going to be really helpful to you in the future as your claims progress. If you are dealing with any serious property damage, it's always advisable to speak to a qualified public adjuster. Public adjusters are specially trained experts licensed by the state to represent only the rights of policyholders to ensure that they have all the resources and expertise needed to manage the claims process. If you know anyone dealing with a serious catastrophe event, please have them reach out to us at Eastern Public. You can see us at our website, www.easternpublic.com, or call me directly at 929-732-4524.